Hello guys, welcome to Pedia. In this video, we'll be learning how to install GCC, that is C compiler, into our Ubuntu systems. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So now, let's begin. To install GCC into our systems, I'll first open the file I've created, install gcc.txt. Yes. Now to install GCC, just terminal, open the terminal, and then in terminal, add the command sudo, that is apt get update. Click on enter. It will ask for the password. Enter the password and just wait till the apt get update runs successfully. Now the apt get update is done. Now type sudo space apt space install GCC. Now it will start installing GCC into your system. It will ask for you to continue or not. Press Y, enter, and it will install GCC into your system. Yes, now after GCC is get it installed into your system, just type another command, that is sudo apt install build essentials, and click on enter, and again click on Y and hit enter, and just wait till all the build essentials gets installed. And now GCC is completely installed into your systems. So now to check whether it is installed properly or not, just enter the command GCC space dash dash version, and if the GCC version is displayed into your system, that is GCC is completely installed into your system. Now you can compile and run any C program, C++ program into your systems. So now in this video we have seen how to install GCC into our systems, and if you found it helpful, so please like this video, subscribe to our channel, that is Pedia, and enter your comment so that we are encouraged more to provide you more and more videos. So thank you and have a good day. Crack it.